Genuine Department 56 power adapter for use with many of our Village series. Adapter can accommodate up to 3 accessories at a time. Use instead of batteries on most accessories with a battery pack, for packs that hold 2C batteries. Use in place of the white adapter, B00006A9SR, to better coordinate with your Halloween or fall theme. Village Cross product allows you to build upon any Department 56 village to enhance your favorite look, offering a wide variety of animated and lighted accessories, figurines, fences, benches and more. Go ahead and get creative with whatever village that adorns your home by adding your personal, creative touch. This black AC/DC power adapter can be used in place of C batteries for many different products in your Department 56 Halloween, fall, or Christmas village. It can accommodate up to 3 accessories at a time, and can be used in place of the white power adapter, B00006A9SR. About us. Enesco is committed to bring joy every day. The premier global destination for high-quality giftware and home decor. Our prestigious family of brands includes Department 56 Village, Things Remembered, Foundations, Jim Shore Heartwood Creek, Disney Traditions by Jim Shore, Disney Showcase Collection, Disney by Britton, Designs by Lolita, Our Name is Mud, and many more. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. Purchased this to connect some older battery-powered Department 56 Halloween Village accessories. Works as advertised, just a touch more expensive than I would like.